don't know how to start this. Not a good angle, not a good angle. Huh? Hi everybody, I'm Cassidy, and the lighting's bad. I'm not qualified to teach you anything about makeup, but here we are. Let's do this. We're getting ready to go absolutely nowhere because we're in quarantine currently. Super fun stuff. But I spent way too much money on all of this makeup. So let's get some content out of it. Woo! Okay. So first thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna use some chapstick. Simple, easy peasy. This is Burt's Bees. Swipe that on there. Boom shakalaka. All right. So next step that I'm just gonna do really quick is I'm gonna use this spray. It's like a rose spray, just to help my gross, sweaty face be not so gross. So, okay, good stuff. All right. Ew. Oh, okay. The taste is not as good as the smell. We're first gonna go in with this eyeliner. It's the Glossier Play Colorslide. The color is Disaster Class, I think. Alright. Why am I out of breath? I haven't done anything. I'm so old. It doesn't want to focus. It's not sharp at all, is what I'm trying to show you. So I just go really, really dangerously close to my eyeball because I like to live on the edge. Extend it a little bit to the edge. Why am I sweating? I'm really focused. Ooh, okay. Yeah, you can see it. Alright, so I'm just gonna kind of blend that out. I like this eyeliner. I like the color. It's a little bit different than just black, but I'm not very good at using it and I need to sharpen it, so I would give this product 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with the Lid Star eyeshadow in the color Cub. So it's like an eyeshadow, but you just like swipe it on. So I just do like a teeny bit because it's pretty potent. And then I use my ring finger to just kind of blend it out on both eyes. All right. So now we're gonna do mascara. I don't have the Glossier one. I'm gonna use Benefit Roller Lash. This is like Holy Grail or whatever. It's really good. I'm kind of running out. It's scary. Okay. Get real close to you so you can see. Yeah. Alright, so now we're done with eyes. If you can't tell, we're going for a very natural, chill look. Now we're gonna go onto our face. This is where we need some help. We've got some redness all around, so we're gonna try to blur that out. So here's what we've got. We've got Glossier Skin Tint in G12, which I think is the lightest one. So what you do is you shake it, shake it, shake it. Alright, once it's all good and shook, I just do like a droplet on the forehead, each cheek, chin, above the chin, nose, and then just kind of swipe whatever's left over around. And then the fun thing about this makeup look is I do not use any brushes pretty much, so I just rub it in. Boom. I almost broke. What's happening? Okay, and you're gonna make some super attractive faces while you do it too. So make sure you get it all over everywhere. It just kind of blurs everything. I will not lie to you, this is not covering anything pretty much. So if you like freckles to be seen, or just your skin to be seen, unlike some of the real like thick cakey foundations, this is a good product for you. I have only recently been even a little bit comfortable with using something like this because I started using Curology almost a year ago, and my skin's not perfect, but it's definitely better than it used to be. Maybe I'll insert a picture of yikes, big ol' acne hours Cassidy for you. Okay, so I do still want to cover some of these little spots in under my eyes because this is the Glossier Stretch Concealer in G12, also the lightest shade because I don't go outside. I'm kind of squatting to get in the frame. Alright, so I just go in with my middle finger and then just dab it on. The skin tint, I like to rub it in. This one I just kind of like to pat it in because I want it to cover everything. Look in the mirror to make sure I didn't miss anything. And if it's not perfect, I don't really care. I'm kind of over it. I'm not going anywhere, but it does help to kind of do my makeup every day, feel some semblance of normalcy in this trying time. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm dancing to. Okay. I'm thinking. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I haven't been able to get my eyebrows done since all this, and it is very distressing. They don't look terrible on camera, but they're not great. So I'm using the Glossier Boy Brown, and I think it's just called Brown. Yeah, it's just brown. They make a clear one. I haven't tried it. So you just get the little thing, and I just do some little swipey doos. This one is more difficult than this one. This one, like, what am I pointing at? I need to look at the mirror, not the camera. It's gonna like, what? No, not quite. I don't know what's wrong with this one. It's like stuff doesn't go on it the same way. But I forgot to rate like any other product. Pretty much everything except the eyeliner I really like. This one's a good one. Just looks pretty natural. Let's do blush. Alright, we're gonna do the Cloud Paint in the color Storm. This stuff is potent. Let me tell you, bro. You just need like the tiniest little, like that is it. At least for me, because I don't really like wearing blush a ton, but it does look nice. So I'm just gonna use my hand, pat it in. Kind of like to go all around, make it look, ooh, make it look realistic, you know what I'm saying? And I look a little rosy, like I maybe exercised or went outside or something that I don't do, you know? Okay, don't hate it. Alright, and since I actually rubbed off the concealer over here, I'm gonna just quickly cover that up. So, we're almost done. Can you believe it? 12 minutes I've been recording and I'm talking? I thought it took me way longer to do this. I'm kind of proud of myself. So, some people will just want to leave a nice glowy, whatever, dewy look. My skin is super oily, so I'm gonna go in with the Glossier Wowder. I don't know why I'm saying Glossier every time, you know what it is. This is the color G11-G12, and it's still a little dark for me, but it was the lightest one. So, I'm just taking a big floofy brush, shake this up a little bit. Why do I keep almost burping? So gross. And as you can see, the powder will be like right in the middle, so I'm just gonna swirl. This has a smell to it, by the way. Can you? Whoa, looks like smoke. That was so cool. All right, so I'm gonna kind of tap off excess, not get it everywhere. And then we're just gonna swipe it on. It kind of just mattifies it. But don't worry, we're gonna add back in some life. Don't even worry about it. Why were you worried? Don't be. I don't know what it smells like. It almost smells like wax or something. It's kind of weird little smell. It's not bad, and you don't smell it once it's gone, but definitely there's a smell. I do like this. I kind of wish that they made a translucent. They only have colored powders right now, and it's just a touch dark for me. So I kind of gotta blend it down, and you can still kind of tell that it's just a little orange for me. But it's not bad enough that I'm gonna stop using it. Okay, so kind of took away a lot of the shine, but that's okay. We're gonna bring it back. I just got this yesterday in the mail. We're gonna use Halo Scope in the color Quartz. So this is a highlighter, and you just, like, woo, it's this big old stick thing, and you just swipe it on, and it's kind of fun. All right, it's really not that exciting, but I take what I can get in this, like I said, trying time. I will take whatever is entertaining and just roll with it. So I'm gonna go a little bit above where I did the blush and just do like a good swipe. Even on my terrible phone camera, you can tell that did a little something. And it's got like a little bit of a pink vibe. So we're gonna do the same on the other side. Kind of blend it a little bit so there's not like a line. And boom, add a little bit of that glazed donut back. I'm gonna do a little bit on the nose, her. Oh, a little bit under my eyebrow, just like a skosh. And boom. All right, so literally the last step, besides doing my hair, which I will do later. Actually, yeah, no, I'll do it later. I don't really care. I need some lipstick. So I'll just show you what another one looks like. I don't know why I'm advertising so hard. I do have, if you use my link, you can get 10% off. If you're interested. I literally don't care what you do. Why is my hand so red? What just happened? Okay, so, I'm out of breath again. What is happening? So I do have some of the Generation G ones. This one is Cake. These are more matte. I'll go ahead and swatch these. So this one's kind of a nice neutral color. Let me show you the other one. This one is Crush. It's a nice little pinky color. And I do have one of the actual lip glosses. This one is, I forget what it's called, but it's the red one. It's a lip gloss. I'm not going to show you. But what we're going to use on the lips today is the Vinylic, I think it's how you pronounce it, Lip Lacquer in the color Pony. So this one's kind of weird. So it's got this little spongy tip and you literally like click the end until some comes out and then you go for it. So this is kind of a brownish pink color and it's a lot shinier than the Generation G ones. I like it. It's fun. Ooh, what is that face? I like scared myself. Boom, here's the finished look. I'm gonna do my hair really quick so you can get like the whole vibe. Alright, so I don't know if that really counts as doing my hair. Just put it up in a little ponytail. And here's the final look. Let's hold up some products, get a thumbnail. Alright. Thanks for watching, y'all. Like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Stay healthy. Why am I talking like this? Catch you later.